So guys, this quality is going to be terrible, but because I'm on Ustream right now, but these videos take really short times to upload. So right now I have two sealed boxes of Diners Elite Baseball for sale. I'm selling them for the shop owner. I'll probably do a group break with these two, but these are for sale, $80 a box. I will open them on video and send you hits and inserts. They're $80. Goes down there. My hair's sticking up, but it's not usually like that. And then I have a sealed box also of Upper Deck '09 football. So got this box because it was cheap and I could afford it. So here we go. Rookie of Jared Cook, sweet. I'll go back through that. Oh, nice. Matt Ryan, 3D stars. If anybody wants one of those Dynasty Elites, let me know really quick if you see this video, because I'm going to do a group break. If not, sweet, my Meredith. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Gerald McGrath autograph. Gerald McGrath. Alright. The jersey of Brian Robisky. '3D stars of Brian Westbrook. Jersey of Vince Young. Oh god, my last jersey is Brandon Pettigrew. Is that another hit? Oh no. Alright. Not the best box in the world, but like I said,